Welcome to the Keri Systems Technical Institute video training series. This program will review the Doors32 Doors for Windows software basic installation and configuration. For proper installation and configuration of the software, please view the modules in the order listed. This will ensure that the information needed for programming will have been created and is available. Modules 1 through 9 will guide you through the installation of the software onto the host PC and configuring the hardware and operating parameters for proper programming and operation. Modules 10 through 16 review additional features used for basic system operation, communication between the host PC and controller network, and manual control of the doors, inputs, and outputs. The presentation consists of Module 16. This is Module 6 of 16, Creating Time Zones. A time zone is a designated period of time in which access can be granted to a secure area or in which specific actions can occur. All time values are stored in 24-hour format, also known as military time. Doors32 has 32 time zones. 2 are system or fixed time zones, and they are called always and never. You have 30 programmable time zones for use in your system. Each time zone has 4 start and stop periods, and the time zones can be applied to access groups, automatic door lock-unlock control, and input-output links. Holidays are treated as special case time zones. Open the time zone windows by clicking on the icon toolbar, or from the Setup pull-down menu, select Time Zones. You can set 4 separate start and stop times per day for all 7 days of the week and for up to 3 unique holiday schedules. The Always time zone is a system time zone. It cannot be edited. Always will always allow access or action to occur. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You should not assign an always time zone to a door auto unlock schedule. Otherwise, the door will always be unlocked. The never time zone is also a system time zone. It cannot be edited. Never will never allow access or action to occur. Never should not be assigned to a door in an access group. No one will be granted access to that door. Time zone creation is a 4-step process. We will show you several examples to create a time zone. In example 1, we will allow access on the following times and days: 6:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Clear the time zone spreadsheet. Open the Setup Time Zone window and click the New button to clear the spreadsheet. It clears the time zone name field and all of the spreadsheet values. Enter the time of day when access or action is allowed. In this case, 6:30 a.m. Monday through Friday, never access on Saturday and Sunday. The times can be entered by keyboard or by using the up or down buttons to set the hour and minute values. Simply click in the designated field and enter the numbers in 2-digit hour, 2-digit minute notation. For never, you may type the letter N and the field will auto-populate with the word never. Then enter the desired stop times. Enter the time of day when access or action is no longer allowed. Remember to enter your times in 24-hour format. Make the names as descriptive as possible, but no longer than 30 characters. Enter a descriptive name in the time zone name field. Click on the Save button to save the time zone. In example 2, we will set up a time zone to allow access or action from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Monday night Tuesday morning through Friday night, Saturday morning. This is a late shift that is spread across 2 calendar days. Open the Setup Time Zone window and click the New button to clear the spreadsheet. It'll clear the time zone name field and all of the spreadsheet values and be ready for programming. Monday is entered in 2 segments. First, we enter Never for Sunday, and the Monday Start 1 time is entered as 2200, which is 10 p.m., and the Stop 1 time is all zeros to indicate midnight. Tuesday then begins at midnight and ends at 7 a.m. The time zone will continue uninterrupted as it passes midnight from one day to the next consecutive day. Tuesday is then entered in 2 segments. The Start 2 time, when our shift begins again on Tuesday night, enter the Start 2 time of 2200 and the Stop 2 time of all zeros for midnight. Wednesday continues Start 1 at midnight and Stop 1 at 7 a.m. Again, the time zone will continue Tuesday night into Wednesday morning uninterrupted. The remaining days are entered in a similar fashion as we've already done. Note that the ending of the workday from midnight to 7 a.m. is entered in the Start 1, Stop 1 slot times for Saturday because our Friday night shift actually ends on Saturday morning. Enter descriptive name for this time zone. The descriptive name makes reading the event reports easier. When done, click the Save button to save the time zone. If you make an error and need to correct a time zone entry, click in the cell, enter the correct time, and save the change. If you edit a time zone, you may want to rename the time zone to reflect that time change. Edits can be made to either correct an entry mistake or to change the values within the Start 1 and Stop 1 fields. To enter holiday dates, click on the Holiday 1 tab and enter the date and name for each holiday. When complete, click the Save button when all holidays have been entered. 3 different holiday schedules can be defined in Doors. Different holidays may have different access or action requirements. For example, Memorial Day may have a short access action schedule. Christmas Day may not allow access or action at all. Holiday schedules can then be added to an existing time zone as if they are another day of the week. Holiday dates are year sensitive. Doors32 software does not support recurring holidays, typically New Year's Day, Christmas Day, and Independence Day in the U.S. Select a time zone to add to the holiday schedule. Enter the start and stop times for this set of holidays and click the Save button. This concludes Module 6 of 16, Creating Time Zones.